worry. Daddy will soon join us.
But you're not happy. Is it because Daddy scolded last night?
Sarah, you talk too much. Eat your food.
But you're not happy.
Who told you I'm not happy? Eat your food.
I'm off.
Baby, won't you at least have something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? Did you eat it?
Almost everything. To just wake up one morning and tell you she wants to go for divorce. You are the man. You are the one to take the decision since you said you no longer love her. I'm a woman. I know what I'm talking about. Unless there is something you're not telling me. Maybe you're not telling me the truth.
Why you say something like that?
Were you not the same person who said you no longer love her? That you love me now. So what is still keeping you from going for this divorce? And at least make me your wife officially. I mean, this is not nice. See, let me tell you. If your plan is to keep having me as a mistress and someday you dump me, it's not going to work. Ibezem, because I'm a woman. And I need to have my own home, have my own children. Ibezim, it's either you take me home as your wife or we'll stop this whole shit because I'm not gonna continue.
Can I at least get some rest tonight? I had a very hectic day at the location today. Thanks, my love. Maybe tomorrow. Please. You'll be coming to the location?
Coming to the location to do what?
To see me, of course. Is there anything wrong in coming to the location to see your guy?
Ibezim, how many times have your wife come to the location to see you?
She used to come. Always.
So if I come to your location to see you, who are you going to tell your crew members that I am? Your girlfriend?
See, Jane, I only asked you a question. Don't start this morning.
Wait. You only asked a question. See, I am sick and tired of this your hide and seek game. For Christ's sake, what do you take me for? Ibezim, say, just look at me very well. I have this quality you can never ever find in any other woman. So why play me your mistress? This will be the last time I will come to see you in a hotel room. Do you understand me? If you want the real thing, you know where to find me.
It has not gotten to this.
It has gotten to everything. Come on! You get that thing in your house and you call her your wife. Then me, your mistress. Check it out. It's odd.
Okay. See, once I'm through with the film I'm shooting and get home, I'm going to tell her about the divorce.
I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Mom, where is Dad? He's not eating with us again.
Of course he will. I'll go and call him, okay? Baby, your food is ready.
I don't want to eat your food anymore. Eat your food with your daughter.
Baby, are you serious with what you said?
Yes. That is what I want. Divorce. Give it to me.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Mom, where is he? He's not coming.
No, darling. Daddy is very tired. He's been working for 2 weeks now and he needs to rest. Okay?
But will you join us tomorrow?
Of course he will. Come on, eat your food.
I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
You're disturbing me with this, your cry. If you want to cry, you go to the living room.
What did I do wrong?
asking for a divorce. No. This is not ordinary. And we cannot sit. The devil is a liar. The devil cannot win over this case.
Please. Wait, do you know my man called me this morning?
Yes? Has he told her?
Of course. He told his wife about the divorce.
Wow. That's my babe. Give me five. I trust you now. I'm not a carry last.
Of course. Babe, see, the last time I spent with him was very hot for him. He didn't even know when he started promising. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that once I get back. And trust me, he kept to his promises.
Oh, I like that. The next thing for you to do now, babe, is to follow up. Babe, follow up. Oh, don't relax. Don't give a breathing space at all. See, it does not just end in telling her alone. But he has to do it very, very fast, yeah?
Abby?
Yes, sir.
See, babe, don't worry about that. You know why? He's on his way to Enugu. And trust me, this whole thing is not going to take up to a month for me to be officially called Mrs. Ibezim.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
I'm so excited.
Oh, good. I trust you now.
Let me get something.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
You see, the devil actually came with a mighty reputation to sweep off his joy and happiness to his damnation. But thank God you're here. Okay? And you are right. What you have to do now is to endeavor to bring him to your office. Prayers and answer.
But Pastor, is there no way you can go ahead with these prayers without having to bring him here?
It's actually not about prayers. There are some things I need to do. Some mysteries around him that will open his eyes to things he didn't know before the prayers.
Pastor, I understand. But having to convince my husband to come here with me, that's going to be a big problem.
My dear, don't worry. I will talk to him. I believe he will give me a listening ear. Pastor, please, he will come and see you any moment from now.
That would be great.
Okay, thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you. How are you going to go about telling him this? Huh? I don't want him seeing it as if I've gone around town telling people about our marital affair.
Don't worry. I know exactly how to tell him.
Please, I don't want any trouble. I'm tired. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, everything about her pisses me off. Even staying in that house is just like staying in the hell. I'm tired of everything.
That is because you've seen an angel.
No other angel like you.
That's the more reason why you should hasten up with this divorce thing. I mean, so you can have me to yourself.
Right.
So first thing first, you have to bring in a lawyer. Let's do this thing swiftly. Who says we can't have our wedding in a month's time?
No. No. I can't divorce my wife and marry you in a month's time. It looks suspicious.
Do I care? Does it look like I care? I don't care what anyone thinks. What is important to me now is my joy and my happiness. I really don't care about people's opinion. I can't do this now. I can't do this.
Are you sure you're going to wait for him to come back?
Even if it means waiting all day, I will. You're my friend. And this is the time to prove it. This is the time to show meaning to our friendship.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's okay. And so, where exactly did he go to?
I don't know. He didn't tell me anything. He just woke up, dressed up, and he left without saying a word to me.
It shall come to pass. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Just be strong.
Thank you.
I will wait. The phone is ringing. Who is that calling you at this time?
Can you imagine? My wife.
You still call that thing your wife?
Yes, she's still my wife. I've not disclosed her yet. She's still my legal wife.
Legal wife, my ass.
From busy to switched off. He's not going to come back home. I think he should start living. Stop crying. You have to be strong. If not for anything, for your daughter. She can't see you in this condition, else you will destabilize her mentally. It's okay. Stop crying. I heard you. Thank you. Once in every man's life, there comes a challenge. Challenges can come from any angle, in any form, but you have to be brave enough to overcome it. It came to pass, but not to stay. It will surely come to pass, and you will have back your happy home. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's okay. Promise me you won't cry when I go. No, I won't. Please don't. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's okay. Let me see you off.
So, what should I go prepare for you?
Anything you can think of, okay? As long as it's coming from you, I will eat it.
So when are you returning back to your base?
I'm not going back today.
Why? You mean you're not filming and you're here spending money in hotel?
I'm spending the money paying the bills to be with you.
Ibese, I think the right thing to do is for you to get home. Hasten up with this divorce and make me your wife. Bring me into your house. Not spending money here.
Okay. I will be going tomorrow.
Okay, let me go get something for you. I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Don't keep me waiting.
You mean he has not called you to tell you his whereabouts?
Yes, not all.
Where can he be now?
Only God knows.
What about Zara?
Who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Hello, Daddy. Good afternoon.
Zara, have you greeted Daddy?
Me, no.
Come on, say good afternoon to the daddy. No, you have to take it easy on him. The best weapon for a woman in marriage is patience. You just have to tolerate him. Okay? Still perform your wifely duties. We will get to the root of everything. Amen. Praise God.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
What is it?
We need to talk.
Go on, I'm listening.
I have given your proposal a second thought. Since your mind is no longer here, there is no need living as best of enemies. I have accepted the divorce.
That's exactly what I want to hear.
But I have my condition.
Okay. Name them.
Since you're the one who wants this divorce mostly, you'll be the one to leave this house for my daughter and I. We won't leave for you. I want to raise my daughter in her father's house.
I've already told you that I'm going to divide all my properties into two and give you half. If you like this house, I can equally leave it for you. And also, I'll be sending money for Sarah's upkeep.
I don't need your money. I can comfortably take care of my daughter.
I'll be starting a new job in a minute tomorrow. When I finish and come back home, we will go and meet our lawyer for the divorce papers.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance.
I have something to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I can't wait for this shoot to be over. I want
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again.
Why did you keep food on the table?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I see. Let me look for something to eat.
Like I care. Meanwhile, I'm just coming from the lawyer's place. He said he has prepared the divorce papers, so I signed my column. Whenever you are ready, Mr. Oga, go and sign yours so that we can get all this over with.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Come on.
Cheers, my love. This is nice.
Yeah.
Barman! Please come. I need a bottle of beer. Rather, bottles of beer.
Jane, are you still going to take beer after taking red wine?
Ibezim, this wine is just for toast. The real thing is in beer. I mean, I'm happy. We're celebrating. Have you forgotten? Barman, where are you? Barman! Give me a moment.
Jane. This is the 5th bottle and you're ordering for the 6th one. Are you okay?
Baby, relax. Life is for the living. I'm just having fun. Mama!
Take that. Take it back. Take it back. Keep it. Are you mad? Are you stupid? What's the problem?
Mind your business. I know my page. Bama!
Madam!
Bama! Come. Open. Thank you, yeah? Ibezim, if you don't have money, simply tell me you don't have money. I'll foot the bills. That is good.
So, baby, just take a sip, okay? Just a sip.
No. I don't drink alcohol.
Just a sip. I didn't say you should finish it.
And I said no.
Why?
Okay. Because I don't want to be a drunk wife and a mother. Yes. I don't want to just come home one day and I'm acting all drunk. Before you know, I'm scratching the house. I'm doing all sorts that I'll probably later regret. Yes.
Okay, I understand. But just a sip. Come on, you like it, okay? Just a sip. Just yeah, good. Yeah.
And I said no. Malta. Or Malta. Any other malt drink. Baby, no! You can't force me. No.
Nope.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
What should I bring for you? Wife coming in the evening.
Don't bother. We'll be shooting all night today, and I'll be coming back tomorrow morning.
All night shoot, that means it's going to be stressful.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. That means you want me to come back tomorrow. to know.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so.
Just use nonsense now. If you're gone.
Another chance, just let me love you again.
If you call.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
No, continue with what you were saying. I think you should go do the same.
I am not divorcing you anymore. I'm renewing my vow to you.
I'm sorry
I will never allow any other woman to come between us.
I was a fool.
You are a jewel and a high ornament.
I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me
I promise
another chance.
we will never raise voice at each other anymore. You're mine. Mine for.
I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool.
Hey,
I didn't want to say anything while you were on the phone. But we need to talk.
okay. What are we talking about?
I'm not going back on my decision. I want a divorce.
See, baby, why are you so angry like this guy? That you want to lose your marriage? Leave him. He's distracting you. Let us start from where we stopped and build our home.
Heaven knows that there is no other man in my life other than you.
Then why insisting on the divorce?
Why would you want to end this union? Just because of one stupid girl out there? Why? After all the sacrifice that I made for you, after everything that I have been through because of you, you just threw everything out the window. You just forgot about everything because of one girl.
See, baby, I said I am sorry. That was in the past. It won't happen again.
How am I sure that won't happen again? How am I sure that one girl from somewhere will not just spring up and start deceiving you again? How?
Baby, it won't happen again. I am sorry, my love. I am sorry. Please.
I don't trust you anymore. You have lost every single trust that I had in you. I can't live here with you. I have lost the trust that I had in you as a husband. I can't live in insecurity. This marriage is over.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson,
What is this? What am I going to do? Where do I go from here?
Just let me love. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me.
So you went to bring your solicitor to solicit?
At least let's thank God that his senses are back now.
Mama, how am I sure that he will not do it again?
I am sure it will not happen. One big name. Oh, it will not happen. At least look at the consequences of his first action.
Mama, I say I don't want. I don't want this marriage again. I am tired. I'm sick and tired. Is it my fault? I don't want.
Take it that you want. I'm begging you. Oh, please.
I'm so sorry. There was traffic on the road. But I'm here now. Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
You're welcome.
Okay.
If you like, you can go and bring everybody, the whole world here. I have made up my mind. I am not interested anymore.
Mama, please, can I take her out for some minutes?
You are free, my dear. You are free, please.
Before? I never knew you were married before.
Well, now you know that going in and out of marriage is a bad stigma.
Yeah, I know. Thank God we finally succeeded.
Yes, thank God. And thank you very much.
It's okay. What are friends for? Okay. Just take very good care of yourself, your daughter, your husband.
I will. I will.
So